are going to love the 2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.